So I got tiny car up on a lift at my buddy's work, and if only we had access to this lift when we made this nice shiny exhaust. After 3 years of preparation, trying to get the welder ready and the gas and stuff, it's finally done. It's all 2-inch. That's a modified Subaru donut flange up there. Had to extend the ears for it to fit. It's a 2-inch instead of 1 3/4. 2-inch flowmaster catalytic converter. And this is a Magnaflow Magnapack glass pack. And then we followed the original exhaust path and kept it in the channel of the unibody the best we could. We did this with the car up on jack stands, and it was not fun. We didn't have a whole lot of room, but we did it. It's all 2-inch. There's no taper like the stock one. It would taper from 2-inch around here and go down to 1 3/4, hang down real low right here and have a squish right here, and then do a bunch of funky bends up to the muffler. And this is another big Magnaflow glass pack. You can look through this thing.
The hardest part was getting the clearances to clear around this beam and not be where it was going to whack the spring when it wiggled.
It's a little cattywampus, but it clears the spare tire well,
but we're
and
using
the spring.
all the stock mounts.
Yep. No new mounts. Everything's all stock placement. Right there. 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 And those two. And it's pretty solid. Like, the old system would wobble all over the place. But this is the best performance upgrade I've done to this car. She's pretty quick on the highway now. It goes perfectly with the Weapon R header up there.
Next is the big intake.
Yep, I gotta put the ported intake on there and see what it can do.
Oh, I was talking about the aluminum one.
Oh yeah, the makeshift tutor manifold. I'm gonna try to replicate the tutor manifold. Got a Prius intake manifold flange, and then a 90s Corolla intake manifold. And we're gonna fuse the two of them together and make a high flow intake. Yeah, it just goes right straight out the back. You can see there's no baffles. Baffling, isn't it? So who's gonna climb up there and give it a start?
I'm a monkey, and even I don't think I can make that one. If I use the if you get it to about here, I can do that. He's like, I'm just gonna put it down. I have to do this. Suspense. Really kill it, you know?
The biggest boost in horsepower are the stickers. You gotta represent. Yeah, that sounds really good for a 1.5 liter with a straight pipe system. I mean, it's not a true straight pipe, but it's just glass packs. Say that's pretty good for a Yaris.